Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got another nice recipe for you, a dessert recipe, sweet rice, and I'm going to get straight into it. So I'm going to start off guys by adding 3 tablespoons of ghee, but you can use butter, that's no problem. Bismillah. Yeah, this is desi ghee I'm using here in the UK. So you'll melt this. And as soon as it's melted, you'll add some dry fruits. Okay, as soon as the oil's heated up, I'm going to add about 7 cardamoms and about 2 cloves. And I'm going to add some dried fruit. You can add any dried fruit you like. And dried coconut also. You can add any dried fruit you like. I've added some almonds, some cashew nuts, walnuts, and some coconut, and also dried coconut. But whatever you prefer, just add that. And as soon as these start going a nice goldy brown, I'm going to add some raisins in. You don't want to add the raisins in too early because they fluff up. And you'll cook them for a bit. You can add some water. Okay, I've added 1.5 cups of water because I'm going to be using 1 cup of rice. So I'm going to put this on full heat and let it come to a boil now. I've soaked some rice for about half an hour, so I'm going to add that 1.5 cups of rice in now, that the water's come to a boil. And give it a good mix. Okay, I'm going to cook this on a medium heat without covering it until the water's virtually evaporated, but you don't want to mess about with it too much. You want to stir it every so often gently because you don't want to make the rice stick and become a clump. Okay, now the water's evaporated and the rice is about 80% cooked, so I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And then give that a good mix. Gently though. Because the sugar is going to release some water as well, you see. So now I've added the sugar, I'm going to just add a pinch of salt. Some lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Rose water, 1 tablespoon. Kevra water, 1 tablespoon. And give it a light mix slowly, yeah. That's it. You'll have to be gentle with them. Okay, after I did the sugar and then rose water and lemon juice, I've let it cook for about 5 minutes and I'm going to cover it now. What they call the dum, so I'm going to do that now. Cover it basically. You don't want to disturb this dum now. You need to leave this on till they're virtually done on a very low heat. Okay, the dum's been on for about 5 to 7 minutes, it's been covered. I'm just going to take it off and I'm going to add the colouring in there, food colouring. So I'm going to add 3 food colourings, but you can add any food colour you like. So it's 1 tablespoon of water with a pinch of colour. So that was red, green, and orange. And I'm going to add some glazed cherries, but like I said, it's optional. Any fruits or glazed cherries, if you don't like them, you don't need to add them. And any colour you like, just put that in. I haven't stirred them, and I ain't going to stir them. I'm just going to put the dum back on it. And cover it and leave it now until they're done fully. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to take the dum off, take the cover off, and have a look at this. MashaAllah, these look ready now guys, so I'm going to give it a bit of a mix. Bismillah. Gently though, yeah? So all that colour mixes in now. MashaAllah. Bismillah. That's it then, they're all done. I'll take them out and I'll show you. Look at them, MashaAllah. Like I said, you can add any dry fruits you like. You can add any colouring you like. Absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.